Have you ever dreamed of becoming rich one day? Not rich to show off, but rich enough to help your parents, live freely, and never stress about money again. Let me tell you a true story. It started with just $100. No rich family. No business. Just one decision, to start investing. There was a boy named Ravi. He was 18. One day, he saw his father asking a friend for money to pay school fees. That night, Ravi couldn't sleep. He kept thinking, why are we always broke? How can I change this? He searched online and found a strange word, investing. He didn't fully get it, but something told him, this is the way out. The next day, he asked his teacher, "Sir, what's investing?" The teacher smiled and said, "Investing is like planting a seed. It doesn't grow today, but one day, it becomes a tree. Instead of spending your $100 on fast food or games, use it to grow your future." Ravi didn't understand it all. But he made one promise to himself, every month, I'll invest at least $100. He downloaded an app, set up a small account, and clicked, Start SIP, $100 per month. That's it. The journey began. After 3 months, his money went up a little, then dropped. He panicked. Am I losing it? But he remembered what his teacher said. Trees take time. Be patient. 1 year later, Ravi checked again. He had invested $1,200. His balance? $1,250. Just $50 gain? He laughed. But the app showed a chart. If you keep investing $500 per month for 20 years, you could cross $300,000. That's when Ravi learned about compounding. Where your money earns, and then earns even more. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Slow at first, but massive in the end. One day, his friend said, "Crypto is booming. Buy this stock. 10x returns." Ravi was tempted. But he paused. He reminded himself, I'm not gambling. I'm building my future. So he stuck to his plan. Month after month. Slow and steady. Act 6, his simple strategy 6-10 to 7-10. He followed this easy rule. 50% on needs, food, rent. 30% on wants, movies, fun. 20% on investing, non-negotiable. Over time, his $100 per month became $200, then $500. After 5 years, his account showed over $12,000. Still far from $1 million. But now, he had momentum, and most people hadn't even started. Ravi is 25 now. No luxury car. No mansion. But peace of mind? 100%. He knows, step by step, he's on the path to $1 million future. And you can be too. Not next year. Today. Start with $50, $100, whatever you can. Because the earlier you start, the faster you'll say, yes, I built this. If this story inspired you, drop a money with wings emoji in the comments. And tell me, how much will you start investing this month? Like, share, and subscribe, because someone else needs this story today.